Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to install Windows 10 in the computer. I just inserted this DVD in my DVD drive, so it will boot from the DVD. I selected the boot from DVD. So now it is asking me to select the operating system bits. So I will select 64. It's up to you which one you want, 64 or 62, which one you like, you can do it. Now it's loading the pre-files, pre-configured files, you can say. Then it's asking me to select the country. I will select the United States and I'll click on next. This one is right now available. Then select on install now. I don't have the key, so just press that. Now select the operating system. I'll select the Windows 10 Pro. Yes, you can select which one you want actually, and agree the terms and condition. Click next. Yes, custom. Here a few things I will explain to you later, because we are installing the new. Here if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade, or otherwise you can install the new operating system. So here I have a 50 GB partition. The one I will create 40 GB, the other one I will create 10 GB as a secondary. We have to install the window in the primary, not in the secondary. Keep it in your mind. The first two partitions will be as a system partition. Drive 0 partition 1 and drive 0 partition 2 will be the primary as a system. So I will just select the the partition drive 0 partition 2. So you can see here I will leave as it is. However is the partition 3, I don't want to touch. I'll just click on the next. And if the operating system is already installed in your system and you're selecting the custom in this menu, so keep it in your mind, don't ever touch your other drives, otherwise you will lose all the data, included everything. Never make a new partition or never delete any partition. Just use the existing one and just format it partition 1 or the partition 2. Just these two partitions will be selected from the Windows system. It's installing, otherwise if you will select any other one, you're going to lose your data. So here it's installing, copying the files. After finishing this, it will restart the system. After restart, it will go for some pre-configurations like customization. There we will just pre-configure actually. So now it's detecting the hardwares like audio, video, keyboard, mouse, or some other hardware which is plugged into our system. It will detect all those, then accordingly it will install the drivers. And don't forget to unplug the cable. I forget to tell you, don't plug in the cable in your system. Now we selected already the country as a United States and the keyboard was US on the layout, so I will just select the continue, the same as it is we selected in the previous. I don't want to change the country and the keyboard layout. There is the US keyboard layout. You can add whichever you want, like UK or Arabic or whichever the one you want, whichever you want actually. You can add the layout. I don't want, so I'll just skip. It is just updating the keyboard layout in the system. Just wait for some time. And keep it in your mind, whenever you are installing the system, operating system, you must be careful with everything. You must follow each step to make it better, to make better performance of your computer. So here we go. It's asking me to create the username who's going to use, so I will write my name, and it will ask later on, it will ask to create the password. I don't want the password, so I'll just click next because I don't want to create any password right now. It is just a demonstration video, so you can select whichever you want by who's going to use this PC, then click on next. And the password I told you, create a password, but create a super memorable password so you never forget. Otherwise you're going to lose your data if you will forget it. Just click on next. Just a moment. It is like a pre-configurations. Okay, here I don't want to share my privacy with the Microsoft, so I will switch off all the privacy. I will install my own antivirus to create the privacy criteria, or you can say to manage all those things. So I'll just disable all that and I will click on accept. Then the next. I don't want right now the Cortana, whatever it is. Now it's adding the files to the system, whatever we installed already. As you can see, the customization is done. Now it's making ready. During this time, never plug in your cable, otherwise it is going to take more longer than the usual, because it depends on your speed of the system and internet. And you can do it, update later on when the Windows is ready. You don't need to worry about it. You can do the upgrade of drivers, softwares, Windows, whatever you want. You can do it later. And you can create a USB as well, Windows USB. I will mention the link below the video to download Windows 10 latest. I downloaded in May 2021, and the Rufus software is very famous, that you can create a USB with that software. And I have already shared the video on the YouTube. There is a video you can see how to create a USB, bootable USB for the Windows. So it will be really easy for you to just watch the previous video, and it will be easy for you to doing all this installation as well. So it's almost ready. The Windows is ready now. Here you can see it's ready. So I'll just go to the desktop to bring the icons of my computer, network and all that. So now the system is ready. You can see you can plug in the cable and you can upgrade your system, or you can install whatever you want, but make sure antivirus is installed in your computer, which will be more safety, or a good thing to have a paid antivirus. Never install the free antiviruses in your computer. And thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have any question regarding this video related to the Windows programming, softwares, anything, you can write down in the comment section. And thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.